from the Financial Stability Oversight Council, among the risks outlined is cryptocurrency. Could you talk about those risks now? And regarding individuals and households, perhaps distinct from the concern about the financial system, do you worry that speculation in this unregulated asset class could hurt their financial well-being, or do you think it has a place in a household's portfolio?
So our role.
Before Jerome Powell explains his thoughts on crypto, welcome to another episode of the Crypto Dough channel, and I'm bringing you the latest news. Only thing I ask for you guys to do is subscribe to the channel and help me get to 10,000 subs. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share, and also hit that bell notification as well. Also, leave those comments down below. What do you think about the crypto world in 2025 since we have President Trump being pro-crypto, right? Jerome Powell is also pro-crypto as well. And will the banks join in? Let's see what he have to say. I've been doing this for a while, well over 6 years. So I want to share everything that I know with you guys about the crypto world from the beginning level to the, let's just say I spent over 10,000 hours on doing my job with crypto. So now I want to share everything from the intermediate level to the advanced level as well, right? Let's get into it. Hopefully you guys having a good day. How you feeling? Put how you feeling down in the chat. Hopefully you're feeling good. You feel like you can get some more money or invest. I like investments over profits, so let's get it.
With Bitcoin really is to look at, with crypto really is to look at the banks, and we think it's, banks are perfectly able to serve crypto customers as long as they understand and can manage the risks, and it's safe and soundness. A good number of our banks that we regulate and supervise do that. The threshold has been a little higher for banks engaging in crypto activities, and that's because they're so new. And we don't want to make the mistake. If you're making a choice to conduct that activity inside a bank, which is inside the federal safety net with deposit insurance, then you want to be pretty sure that it's a safe and sound activity. So, we're not against innovation, and we certainly don't want to take actions that would cause banks to terminate customers who are perfectly legal just because of excess risk aversion, maybe related to regulation and supervision. So,
that's well said.
That's kind of it's not really our bailiwick.
Now the thing would then be, right? What bank do you think he's talking about? Is it JP Morgan? Is it Bank of America? Is it Wells Fargo? Because last time I checked, XRP and Bank of America, they have a relationship. In fact, XRP has a relationship with most banks. That's who they target. They're into the big money movement, right? You also have ARC, which is Alchemy Payment, that's doing business with everyone, converting fiat to digital assets. They have well over 100 licenses to actually operate in the States and overseas. Think about it like that. You have Swift being the first AI meme coin on Coinbase. That has a small market cap, but it's accelerating as we speak. And you have Jasmy. Now, Jasmy is a special project, a very special project, and I'm going to give you guys a little bit more detail. But what bank do you think, or if not all banks, will support cryptocurrency and why? Leave your thoughts down below. Jerome Powell, you have the floor.
We want people to be knowledgeable about the financial engagements that they have. And that's why we have, the securities laws that we have. It's why, if you read a mutual fund prospectus or individual stock prospectus, you want households to have the chance to understand the risk that they're taking. And, I do think it would be helpful if there were a greater regulatory apparatus around crypto. And I think that's something Congress was working on quite a lot. We've actually
listen to what he's saying. Regulation is coming soon, which means that depending on where you're at in the world, some cryptos you will have access to, some cryptos you won't, or it will be regulated saying what you can and can't do with crypto, which I think is needed in the space, but too much regulation. Because crypto, I like the fact that crypto can be decentralized. I think decentralization is actually the remedy to this fiat currency that we have and this fiat problem in the monetary system that we have. That's one reason why I advocated for crypto. That's one reason why I advocated for crypto, like something like XMR. That's one reason why I advocated for crypto. It has to be decentralized because that being centralized, right? It's a problem. Decentralized actually is the antidote for the fiat money printing problem that we have. There's no point of being in crypto and, for example, and you have everything tracked and everything centralized and everything along that nature. It's no point of that. We might as well say we just in a new digital fiat world. So we still have to advocate. Don't get lost in the sauce. I'm still advocating for decentralization, always and forever. Put decentralization down below. Now, will I trade these crypto assets in order to gain my gains and then put it into my decentralized projects that I like? Yes, that's what I will be doing. Not financial advice, right? And sometimes you can have a little bit of centralized, a little bit of decentralized. Diversification is actually one of the things that I talk about in my PDF, and it's going to be released soon. I'm on chapter 4. Every day I do a chapter. It's about 10 chapters. So in about 12, 13 days, it will be readily available, right? Every day I do a chapter and I break it down nice. And also what I'm going to do in this PDF and in this ebook is always be able to update it, which means that once you have access to it, it's something that me and you share and it always could be added on to. Because things change when regulation come in. A certain crypto that I mentioned, you may want to have it on a cold storage, right? It may not operate in the United States, but nonetheless, it still can operate maybe somewhere in Asia or maybe somewhere in the Arab world. Like, it all depends. So you got to move with the flow, but I want to inform you guys about this. That's why I've been in this field for a while. Now let's continue, Mr. Powell.
Spent a lot of time, with members of Congress, working together with them on various things. And I think that would be a very constructive thing for Congress to do. Thank you.
And that, to me, that was well said.
I gotta get
That
Marcus
was
some new
well
cleats.
said.
I bet you could buy the whole.
That was well said. Now, I would like to share coin market cap. All right. Let's get into Jasmy. Now, Jasmy is number 70. Anything in the top 200s, to me, not financial advice, are keepers, right? Now, Jasmy is now number 70. It's moving up in rank. On today, it went up by 21%. Let me know if you guys can see that quite clear because it's a little fuzzy. Let me move down to the bottom of the screen. Okay, a little bit more visual. Okay, so Jasmy is number 70. It went up in 7 days, 13%. In 1 month, it's down 0.81%, which is good. This is good. It's actually good. In 1 year, it's been up 548%, right? And it seemed like it had major retracement. Major retracement, as you guys can see, it topped out at 5 cents, damn near 6 cents. We could round it to 6 cents, right? And now it's all the way down at 3 cents now as we speak, which is good. 3.2, which is good. So say, for instance, it goes back up to 6 cents. Let's just say that that's 100x. Not 100x, I apologize. That's 100% gain, which is good. What's its all-time high? Whoa. Its all-time high would be $2.50, 2021. So it's just 3 cents. $2.50 is 97% down. Oh, this is a gem. It is 97% down. Whoa. So if it goes to its all-time high, that's currently That's over 100x. This is the gem. I like talking about 100x's, right? Jasmy can go up to 166x. I did that on my last video. Go check my last video out. You cannot beat this one. You cannot beat this one. The thing that I like about Jasmine that's currently going on right now is a bit jazzy now, isn't it? Now, where can you find these assets? You can find these assets on Binance. You can find it on Bybit, Coinbase Exchange, Uniswap, Upbit, BitGet, Kraken, KuCoin, and MEXC. You also have a plethora of more sources that you can find. All you got to do is go to CoinMarketCap. I'm going to leave that in the description so you guys will know where to go to find it, especially for beginners, because a lot of people don't know how to navigate this space, right? And they don't know where to go to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They don't know which wallets to go to in order to get a certain asset that's not on the American exchange and or just simply just not on the exchanges. You can get it from the Phantom wallet. It's so many different sources that you can get it from, right? So we're going to keep you posted on that. I want everyone to be able to navigate the space. I want to bring it down to an elementary school level, third grade level, that everyone can understand what's going on, because I may be a bit advanced and I want to grow with the people. I make money. I want you to make money. So together we can go further than Wells Fargo. That's my slogan. If I make money, you make money. Together we can go further than Wells Fargo. Let's go. So let's look at some news about Expert Shares JasmyCoin update predicts Jasmine's price. Now let's go read. I enjoy reading. Let's see what the experts say, right? Generally, I go on X to find out what's going on, and a like Tron newsletter to find what's going on, because that's how you can tell the different engagements, right? So I'm gonna stop sharing that screen right now, and let's go read a bit, because reading is fundamental. This is the boring part. This is the part that people don't like, but I'm telling people, fall in love with being bored with this, because don't Elon have a company called The Boring Company? It's a reason. It's a reason why. JasmyCoin is gaining momentum, and the technical analysis point to a potential bullish breakout. Crypto expert Paul Webborn has outlined an Elliott wave based on forecasts that suggest Jasmy could see a price surge. Okay. In his update, Webborn detailed key support and resistance levels, predicting that the asset is in its final impulse wave. The analysis highlights a structured price movement with a specific target that traders should watch. Jasmy Elliott wave structure points to bullish impulse. Okay. Okay. According to the breakdown, Jasmy has completed its initial breakout and corrective phase, setting the stage for further gains. Listen, the current focus is on the intermediate wave 3. The wave 3 generally outdo wave 1 and 2, which Webborn expects to push the price higher before a brief pullback leads to the final wave. His projection placed the intermediate target between 12 cents and 14 cents, with a broader rally potentially sending Jasmy to 32 cents. Are y'all listening to what's going on? 12 cents to 14 cents, right? And take it with a grain of salt. Let's just say it's at 3 cents right now. It's at least going to hit 7-8 cents, right? With a broader rally potential sending Jasmy to 32 cents. Remember, I told you that it went all the way up to a few dollars, and it's 97% down. So what does that tell you? You're early in this space, and this is a gem. I love the boring part. This is the boring part right here. The reading is fundamental part. I like this part right here. And also what I'm going to do is a couple of days of the week, I'm going to actually go on TradingView and show you guys how to chart these things so you can see it from the technical analytical perspective, right? I want you guys to see it from the a verbal perspective, right? I want you to see it from the visual perspective, and also when you see it from the technological perspective. Therefore, depending on how you learn, it's going to hit the audience in all different types of way, in a myriad different type of way. And I think people are going to be able to grasp it better that way, because that's how I grasp it. I have to see it. I want to see the charts. And I also want to read about what's going on as well, because the narrative actually, that's what actually put the narrative, depending on the narrative and the trend, is actually your friend. So depending on the narrative, you would know to either be in AI, you would know to be in DeFi, you would know to be in the GameFi, you would know to be in SoFi, you would know to be in different categories that's in the crypto asset class and that world, right? Webborn's technical outlook is reinforced by the Fibonacci retracement levels, which align with his wave count. The 0.236 Fibonacci level at basically 1.5 cents previously acted as a strong support, while the 0.082 is the next resistance cleared before reaching higher price zones. The 0.618 Fibonacci retracement at 0.30 closer aligns with the Webborn's 0.32 final price target. So we're kind of there right now at the 0.32. No, we're at the zero. Let's look at where we at right now. We at 0.032. We're not at 0.32, because that 0.032 is 3 cents. 0.32 is 32 cents. Huh. Can we talk about it? Okay. His charts also suggest that the holding above 0.034 is crucial for maintaining bullish momentum, right? And currently, what are we? We're at the 0.032. But look at the volume. The volume is $623 million. It went up by 500%. Just yesterday it was at 200 million. So it just tripled from 200 million. Hey, not financial advice, but I think I'm going to dollar cost average in a bit more with this one. The upside is enormous. I don't even care if it pull back. February is coming. Y'all know it's generally bullish in February if you understand the cycles. So February, March, April is going to be bullish. May, generally 9 times out of 10, you're going to have a major pullback. May, June, July, let's just say May and June, you're going to have a major pullback. I'm going back in, taking profit, putting some cash on the side to go back in for the next part of the bull run, which is going to be in September, October, November. And we might have the finale in December. And then it's going to be 2026, going to be a crypto winter. I actually put that in my PDF as well, so you would know the cycle. And that's going to be beneficial so you know how to trade. Now, not financial advice, but that's just the standard way of doing things. We're in, for the first time in history, we're in a pro-crypto realm right now, which means that the government, the law is on our side. Everything is on our side. So things can literally change. If someone tells you that they know exactly what's going to happen, no one truly knows. I'm not here to spread hopium. I'm not here to spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD. I'm here to keep it real with my audience, right? No one truly knows, but don't think you know everything. Just go along with the patterns and the flows, and then you will know, hey, when should I take profit, right? When should I exit? When should I have that bag on the side? When should I go back? Because the community is going to talk about it. That's why it's good to be in the community, right? The community will let you know, hey, this is happening over here. This is happening over there. That's why it's good to be in a community. So join the Crypto Dough community as well. If you like crypto and you're trying to make some dough from it, Crypto Dough is the channel. It's the place to be, right? If you like crypto and you want to make some dough, because you're definitely going to make some dough messing with me, it is the place to be. And information is money. Remember I said that information is money. Here we go. XRP price prediction for January 31st. Well, we're going to talk about XRP on another video, because that's one of my largest bags as well, XRP. And I just invested into XPR as well about 2 weeks ago. So I invested at 0.005. So I think that's a gem as well. But XRP, big bank take a little bank. I love XRP. That's a whole nother thing. Let's keep it focused on Jasmy. Jasmy current price action. Recent price action reflects strong bullish sentiment. CoinGecko shows that Jasmy trading volume has increased, pushing the price to 0.03196 at press time. This surge represents a 20% price increase over the previous days. However, Webborn chart warrants caution about the potential pullback. If Jasmy struggles to hold key levels, a brief correction towards 0.026 to 0.028 could occur before resuming its uptrend, which is that's cool. That's cool. He emphasized that this is a rare second chance for investors. Listen, a rare second chance. So if you see it pull back, now financial advice to 0.02 to 0.028, right? So damn near 2 cents, almost close to 3 cents, basically on closer to 3 cents part. You may want to grab, or 2.5. You may want to grab, because a pullback to have more is a blessing, right? Things can just keep exploding and going up. If it pulled back, that is a blessing. As Jasmy approaches critical resistant levels, a breakout confirmation worth watching out for. If Webborn's wave count holds, the next milestone at 12 cents to 14 cents will serve as major test before Jasmy aims its final 32-cent target. With increasing volume and bullish momentum, Jasmy appears poised for further gains, provided it can sustain this upward momentum. Now let's go back to CoinMarketCap, right? So you guys hear that? We just did the reading of it, the boring part, but it's fun to me. I hope you guys enjoy that. Hope I didn't fumble over any words, but I'm only human. I don't even care if I fumble. I'm so comfortable with this space right now that it's ridiculous. As long as you get the message, that's all I care about. As long as you get the message and you use it to create profit and to create some dough, I'm all for it. That's what I'm here for, right? I make money, you make money. Together we can go further than Wells Fargo. All right, so now let's get back to the Jasmy thing, because now people don't even know, well, what is Jasmy? Like, what is it? What asset class does it fall under? We would want to know those things. So I totally get it, right? What is Jasmy? Now, Jasmy, what is it? Right? I like the spread. Another thing I like about the spread about Jasmy is that the whales only own 50%, and the others like you and I only own, the whales only own 49.59%. We own 50.41%, which is excellence, right? It's a balanced portfolio right there, right? But what is Jasmy, right? What is Jasmy? JasmyCoin, I like to say Jasmy technology, is a cryptocurrency project of Tokyo-based Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is really popping, just like IOTA, the Internet of Things, just like IOTA Tex, IOT, ticker symbol IOTEX. That's another one. The Internet of Things, ticker symbol IOTA. That's another one. Or MIOTA. That's another one, right? Provider Jasmy Corporation as a system, the Internet of Things includes mechanical and digital elements endowed with the identifying the ability to transmit data. The IoT company Jasmy specializes in buying, selling data, and the Jasmy platform connects two categories: service providers and data users. So it's the Internet of Things in Tokyo. Now regulation is coming, so you may want to have this on a hard wallet or something along that nature, because you don't know, what if they block this? What if it's not made in the USA and they come out with regulation and say, hey, you guys have to, it's banned now, or you guys have to have a VPN to trade it outside of the United States, which having a VPN isn't illegal. So you might want to get into a VPN, a virtual private network, right? And you use that, it will change your IP address to wherever you need to change it to. And that's how you get access to exchanges in Tokyo, right? It's always a way around something. Always a way around something. Now we done with Jasmy. Right now, can we go to Alchemy Pay? Alchemy Where are you? Let's go to Alchemy Pay now, because this is another one. This is another gem. I'm only giving you guys gem right now, right? Alchemy Pay, I'm only giving you guys gems right now. Alchemy Pay is 100, ranking 162. So it's in the top 200, right? And all I'm saying is that this been moving, right? Look at the market cap. It's at 394.9 million. Look at the volume. It's up 60%. So people are actually trading this $462.6 million, right? Which is good, which is excellent. In the last day, it went up by 11%, as you guys can see right over here. In 7 days, it went up by 100%. As you guys can see, it was right here at 0.02. So basically 2 cents. Now we all the way up to 4 cents, and it's actually trading sideways right now, probably most likely getting ready for a push up, right? And if it does do a pullback, it could pull back to this point right there, maybe 4 cents or a little bit lower, right? It can pull back all the way up to 3.5 cents, and then it can skyrocket again, right? Which is a better opportunity to buy more, not financial advice. Now, where can I find this? I can find it on Binance, Bybit, Coin Exchange, OKX, BitGet, Kraken, KuCoin, MEXC, and Gate.io. Right? It's also a plethora of more places you can find it at. It's 12 pages. I'm going to leave this down below in the link so you would know exactly where to find it, right? I try to give you the sourcing. Now, Alchemy Pay expands in Australia with new. So basically, Alchemy, what they're doing is they're using fiat. Let me read and show you guys what is Alchemy Pay, right? Alchemy Pay, it was founded in Singapore in 2018. Alchemy Pay is a payment solution. This is a payment solution, which is good. Provider that seamlessly connects fiat and cryptocurrency economies for global consumers, merchants, developers, and institutions. That's one hell of a use case. I love projects that have use cases, and this one definitely has the use case, right? You guys, can you see that? Put a one in the chat if you can see that without using any glasses or having to use your binoculars. I don't want you to use your binoculars and strain your eyes, not over here, right? We need your eyes. We need your eyes so you could keep your eyes on the prize. So, founded in Singapore in 2018, let's read this back. Alchemy Pay is a payment solution provider that seamlessly connects to fiat and crypto economies for global consumers, merchants, developers, and institutions. It provides online and offline merchants with a convenient acceptance of both fiat and crypto, enables easy onboarding to blockchain ecosystem, and makes Web3 service highly accessible. Today, Alchemy Pay is supported in over 70 countries. Listen, with 300 payment channels. Y'all not hearing what I'm saying. 70 countries with 300 payment channels. They have the relationships. They have the network, right? What's life without a network? Absolutely nothing. What's the internet without a network? It won't work. So therefore, if they're putting in the work, their foot on the ground, moving around, building these relationships, and they have the actual solutions to change fiat into cryptocurrency or anything along that nature for merchants, developers, and institutions, right? And global consumers, right? Come on, they the perfect middleman. Invest in a middleman. They're the perfect middleman, not financial advice. But I know what I will be doing. I will definitely be investing in our Alchemy Pay. In fact, I've been investing in it. And in fact, this sounds so good. Every time I read it again, I'm going to buy some more. Not financial advice. Anyway, so it's been in 70 countries with 300 payment channels, has touch points with more than 2 million merchants. My God. 2 million merchants through partnerships with industries leaders such as Binance. Even Binance use it. Oh, Shopify use it as well. Oh, Lord. This is a keeper. I got a new girlfriend. Her name is Alchemy. I got a new girlfriend. Her name Alchemy, and she pays. I got a new girlfriend. Her name Alchemy, and she pays. Listen, she's on Binance. She's on Shopify. She's on Neon, which I don't know what that is. And she's on QF Pay. And she has over how many relationships? 2 million merchants through partnerships. Oh, she's well established. Oh, she has 70 countries with 300 payment channels. My God. Binance is one of the largest crypto currency exchanges in the world. My God. I think I like her. I really think I do. Together, I know that me and Alchemy Pay can go further than Wells Fargo. What y'all think about that? Leave y'all thoughts down below. Are we going far? Are we going real far? Are we going all the way up? So that's just giving you some fun facts about Alchemy Pay. I don't want to make this session too long, so let's skip to SwftCoin. Taylor Swift, where are you? We're going to SwftCoin, baby. Taylor Swift, where are you? Where are you? I need you right now. So we stop sharing that screen and let's share the because like I say, we talked about Jasmy, we talk about Alchemy Pay, and the last subject matter that I want to talk about is SwftCoin that moves kind of swiftly here, right? Look at what's going on. Please pay attention, people. This is really happening. SwftCoin was the first AI coin on Binance. The market cap is very, 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 very low. The market cap is very, 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 very low. It is up 33.75%. That's just in a day. The market cap is 119. That's an M, of course. The volume is 136. It's more than the market cap, which means people are trading is up over 200%. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. In 7 days, it's been up 157%. Don't play with it. In a month, it's been up 352%. Don't play with it. What's the all-time? The all-time high has been a 7%, 7 cents. Will it pass that? Perhaps it will. The volume keeps going up. Pay attention. Pay attention. The FDV keep going up. 300 mil. Keep paying attention. Where can you find this? Swift. You can find it on Coinbase Exchange, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io, BingX, HTX, right? And it's full more exchanges you can find it on, which means that it needs to be other listings for SwftCoin. It needs to be, because you see all those other coins that I just mentioned, or those technologies. Let's not call them coins because they're technologies, right? You've seen that what I mentioned, that when it comes time for the markets, it was well over 13 different pages. So this one is a gem right here because it's a low market cap. And a low market cap moves super extremely fast, right? Look at the sentiment right here, 90% bullish. I'm a vote. 90% bullish as well. That's my vote. Cast my vote in. Cast my vote in. Now, let's go to top 10 trending cryptocurrency. Mochi, SwftCoin. You see what's going on? Your trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Now, 79% is owned by whales, 20% is owned by the people. So the whales definitely eating that for lunch and doing. Introducing SwftCoin. What is SwftCoin? Powering SwftCoin blockchain and AI service, right? It's a Swift GPT. Got no GPT and GPUs are needed in the AI world. And what did Trump just do? He just funded the Stargate AI project. So a lot of money will be coming in the AI space. That's all I'm saying. Lots of moolah. Lots of money will be coming in the AI space. That's all I'm saying. So consider yourself, you're at the beginning. This is not the end, my friend. You're at the beginning of these things. Even if you have a pullback, it's okay. Let that thing pull back like a slingshot. And once it's time to take off, it's time to take off. SwftCoin is a native utility token driven Swift blockchains AI powered ecosystem. Swift GPT and the first ever AI token features on Coinbase. And I apologize. I told you guys that it was the first token featured on Binance. I apologize. It's the first token features on Coinbase. I make mistakes too. Swift GPT, but one thing about me, I don't mind being wrong, and I will let you know. I'll always give you an update about that. Keep it real over here. Swift GPT is also the first domain specific LLM for crypto. SwftCoin key features includes 50% reduced transaction fees, lower costs on all transactions, AI service payments. Use Swift to access Swift GPT tools, include expert market analysis, prediction, and intelligent trading solutions. That's good. So you can use it as a bot. Membership benefits, unlock premium features, and AI agent service with Swift GPT. AI agent is a big thing. It's a big thing. It is a big thing. It's AI powered swaps, enable precise, fast cross-chain transactions and analytics. Swift blockchain combines AI innovation with blockchain infrastructure, simplifying crypto trading while enhancing functionality through Swift. Awesome technology. Awesome technology, right? Extremely awesome technology. So that's just giving you currencies to me that I think will boom. February is coming, so by the end of February, these things, they won't be at this price for sure. That's all I'm saying. I guarantee you at the end of, I can guarantee that at the end of, by the time the end of February come, these prices would damn near have doubled, tripled. It can do way more than that. Well, let's just say let's just aim for a double. You can 1x. Now that's just the minimum. You can 10x, 13x, 14x. You can 20x. You just seen XCN in a month. How many X's it just did? 24 X's. So all I'm saying is that no one really know these true predictions. We can just give you the framework, and that's about it. And just put on your seatbelts. On that note, remember, the only thing I ask for you to do is to subscribe to the channel. I'm just starting out on this journey, and I need you guys' help on getting me to where I need to go as far as in the algorithm. Like I say, together we can go further than Wells Fargo. And get me to 10,000 subs. Get me to 10,000 subs, Crypto Dough. I will continue bringing you the insight of what's going on and keep you fresh, up to date with these projects and these technologies, because you're investing in technology companies now. It's like startups. You don't have to be an accredited investor to invest. So this is a once in a lifetime chance to me. And you're going to have a few more time to do it. But after 2030, 2035, by the time 2040 come, things will be set in stone, right? Things will be set in stone. All these things are going to hit all times high and even more. So I see a 10-year aspect of it. That's how I live my life in 10-year spectrums. So enjoy. Let's go on a ride together. Enjoy the ride. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Hit that bell notification as well. And put on your seatbelts because it is time to take off. 5,